You might ask, like, is it really worth it? वो इतनी बार मरेगा, वो इतनी बार लूप करेगा, and these people might never even thank him. They might not even know कि भाई उसने उनको इतना बचाया है, इतनी बार मर मर के बचाया है. Imagine you take someone's memories. अब तुम खाली उनका पास नहीं हटा रहे हो, तो उनकी आइडेंटिटी उनसे दे रहे हो. So why is it that Natsuki Subaru still chooses to act like Natsuki Subaru? That's the question this episode is going to ask, and by the end of it, you'll understand about why Natsuki Subaru is one of anime's best written characters. इमेजिन करो कि तुम एक टावर में रखते हो, ठीक है. अब वहाँ पे तुम्हारी मेमोरीज चली गई हैं, तुम्हारे सामने कुछ लोग हैं, वो तुम्हें कुछ बता रहे हैं, तुम्हारे दिमाग में नहीं पता तुम वहाँ पहुँचे कैसे. तुम ठीक है एक प्रोटैगनिस्ट बनते हो, तुम सोचते हो कि ओके इट इज़ एन इसेकाई फैंटेसी, और प्रोटैगनिस्ट बन के तुम उनको बचाने के लिए आगे से आगे कूदते हो, एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इन इज फ्यू मोमेंट्स लेटर यू डाई. नाउ तुम मरे कैसे तुमको नहीं पता, तुमको किसने मारा तुमको नहीं पता, बट यू डाइड एंड डाइड इन अ हॉरिफाइंग वे. तुम्हारा सर फट जाता है, तुम्हारे बोन्स शैटर हो जाते, तुम्हारा हाथ टूट जाते, पैर टूट जाते, एंड इट इज़ जस्ट हॉरिबल. सेकेंड टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स, क्योंकि अब तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें किसी ने मारा है, यू स्ट्रेट अप टेल द पीपल कि भाई मैंने अपनी मेमोरीज खो दी हैं. What happens is you still die and still die in the same way and in a more horrifying way. अब तुम क्या करोगे? This time onwards, you don't tell the people that you have lost your memories. You play the part, you act the part that you know who they are, and but they still become suspicious and you still die again. डाइंग इज़ंट रियली टेलिंग यू एनीथिंग, बिकॉज तुम्हें नहीं पता तुम्हें किसने मारा है, क्योंकि तुम्हारे सामने जो बंदे हैं वो सुपर ह्यूमंस हैं, तुम उनसे लड़ नहीं सकते. तो तुम एक ही काम जो तुम कर सकते हो वो है उनसे बात करके इन्फॉर्मेशन फिगर आउट करना, उन इन्फॉर्मेशन को पीस टुगेदर करके समझना कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, हु इज़ अ फ्रेंड एंड हु इज़ अ फो, कि तुम्हारा एनिमी कौन है, तुमको मारना कौन चाहता है. बट द रिस्क इज़ कि एवरी फेक स्माइल, एवरी कन्वर्सेशन, एवरी पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड इवन इफ वन थिंग गोज रॉन्ग, you die and die in a very horrifying way. Like while he was extracting this information from other people, the person he was talking to, Meili, it just suddenly blacks out. और जब वो उठता है, she dies. And all the evidence, उसके हाथ पे लिखा होता है Natsuki Subaru was here, and all that evidence, उसके हाथों पे जो निशान होते हैं, they point out that you are the murderer. Now, can he really trust his own self in a place when he can't trust others, he can't trust his own self? भाई वो काफ़ी सारी अलग अलग चीज़ों से एक साथ लड़ रहा है. He has to find out the killer who's out to kill him. He has to find out whether he can trust himself, कि वहाँ वो कोई ऐसे actions कर दे that वो फिर से फंस जाए. And while doing that he has to avoid suspicion of others, क्योंकि उनको वहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी में पता चल चुका है then there is a book of Meili and she died somehow, and he has to avoid that. And because of all this happening, he has so much anxiety, and because of so much stress, he has trouble sleeping at night. Every hallway seems wrong, every smile seems fake, every interaction seems like information, and the risk is at any point you can just die. So in this situation, what will you do? And after all this, Book of Dead, if he chooses to read the Book of Dead, all the suffering, everything, it just ends. Now he doesn't have to die. He figures out who the real Natsuki Subaru is. उसको पता चल जाएगा उसके दोस्त कौन है, उसको पता चल जाएगा उसके एनिमीज कौन है, उसको पता चल जाएगा अच्छा किलर कौन है, एंड उसको Natsuki Subaru एक्शन पता चल जाएगा. ना he can just mix with them and live with them, and he doesn't have to die again and again. And yeah, everything is solved. And in his situation, will you do this? Because while first time committing a murder is wrong, but उसका ब्रेन बता रहा है लेट्स जस्ट डू इट जस्ट वन टाइम, एंड मतलब उसका ब्रेन उसको कन्विंस कर रहा था. And that episode, murder becomes a habit. That's when Emilia and Ram comes कि वहीं उसको रोकने के लिए, and that's when he comes back to his senses. That he has so much accumulated guilt. He's protected by Julius. एंड उसको एनास्टाशिया को इंटरेस्ट करता है कि एनास्टाशिया को जाके बचाओ. एनास्टाशिया को बचाने जाता है, वहाँ पे बेatrice उसको बचाती है शाउला से, जो अपनी स्कॉर्पियन फॉर्म में आके उसको अटैक करती हैं, एंड बेatrice वेपराइज हो जाती है, एंड एनास्टाशिया आधी मर जाती है. एंड ही थिंक्स ऑफ हिमसेल्फ एज अ मर्डरर नाउ, बट ही कुडंट ब्रिंग हिमसेल्फ टू किल हर, टू एंड हर सफरिंग. This is an important point, remember this. And Anastasia at that point acknowledges कि भाई तुम real Natsuki Subaru हो. After that, he just realizes there was no real killer. But now it doesn't matter, because all those people are dead anyway and now he just couldn't care less. उसके emotions blurt out हो चुके हैं, उसका दिमाग ख़राब हो चुका है, उस वो exhaustion बहुत पहले reach कर चुका है and now he just doesn't have the strength to do anything at all. At this point जब कुछ नहीं करना, it doesn't matter to him because these people who trust him, who have died like protecting him, but he just can't bring himself to do anything because he doesn't have the strength and because they are essentially strangers. Why would he do anything from them? And Subaru, listen, Subaru is not a hero. उसका कोई reason नहीं है उनको बचाने का. So why would he choose to save them? Even like if Emilia says something, he can just say, okay, your speech is good, but why does it matter to me? Why did that speech make him change and make him lock in and be like, okay, I will save them? What happened? What actually happened in the speech? Or was it that speech changed him, or was it actually कि Subaru पहले से ही Subaru था? Let's figure it out. So what happened is, during the entirety of Arc 6, one thing happens, that Subaru loses his trust in himself. और जब उसका ट्रस्ट अपने आप से चला जाता है, अपने अंदर से सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस चला जाता है, Emilia just makes him realize. And Emilia is a good candidate here because Emilia has so much trust in Subaru कि Subaru उसको कह देगा मारो और वो वहाँ पे अटैक कर देगी. She has so much trust in him. And when he sees her trust through her eyes, he realizes कि भाई इन लोगों में जो ट्रस्ट था प्लस एमिलिया में जो ट्रस्ट है एंड एवरीथिंग, अब यहाँ पे उसकी प्राइड, compassion, ये जो ट्रस्ट था, प्लस knowing that he has returned by death, him knowing that he can save these people, it doesn't allow him to like leave. And because of this one thing, he chooses to be like, I can still make this right and I can still save them. I will choose to save them. Now here's the thing, you might ask, like, is it really worth it? वो इतनी बार मरेगा, इतनी बार लूप करेगा and these people might never even thank him. They might not even know कि भाई उसने उनको इतना बचाया है, इतनी बार मर के बचाया है. They might not even realize how much he has done for them. Is it worth it for him to do it? यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. It's not that Natsuki Subaru is a hero, that he wants to save everyone out there. It's just the possibility of him knowing that he might have prevented the future जहाँ पे कोई मर सकता है. He just can't live with that regret anymore because किसी भी आर्क में सुबारू की एक लाइन हमेशा constant रहती है, I am worthless. I want it all. I know that I keep on dreaming. I know what kind of person I am. A lot of speeches जहाँ पे वो अपने आप को एक worthless character दिखाता है who suffers and all, but he still wants it all. And because ठीक है RBD से he knows that he can change the future through return by death. His past from Earth was full of regret because he couldn't change it, but through this ability of return by death, he knows that he can go to the past, change that exact same moment and the future will be different. And because of this one single possibility जहाँ पे उसको पता है कि अच्छा वो future change कर सकता है, he is fine with suffering. He just doesn't want that regret of knowing that he could have saved someone, but he chooses not to. That's his character. That is Natsuki Subaru. Entrusted by Julius, believed in by Beatrice, forgiven by Echidna, desired by Emilia, even if by you, Emilia, if that man's name is Natsuki Subaru. My name is Natsuki Subaru. That is good. That is good, bro. Forgiven by Anastasia. Forgiven by Echidna. Echidna क्योंकि उस जो स्पिरिट का नाम था उसका नाम था Echidna. ये क्या है?